Anna, tell them about you.
Okay, hi, my name is Anna. I'm working in Sureway for 4 years. Before I learned Weld, I work in the other factory, cleaning, and then I want to learn more things. And someday I asked my boss if I learn to make a different things in my other job, and he say, okay, what kind of what you want to do? And I say, well, and he say, okay, came in your break and start trying, and when you're ready, you can start working on welding area. Factory welding motorcycles, and in this factory I work different things. In the other factory I learn more TIG, that's my special, and MIG, but I like more TIG.
Why did you pick welding? Why welding?
Why? Oh, because all my family is working in that. My mom, my father, and my brothers.
I'll do that.
Yeah. Yeah. You make a big money.
Good money.
Good money.
But when they shut all the businesses down, were you guys also shut down? Or did you guys keep working?
We shut down for 2.5 weeks until we got some projects that were deemed essential. A lot of hand sanitizer stands, dividers for like casinos, schools, and now we're back in business. We're back full time now, all 3 shifts again. She's working on a lot of cool things. Sony, I think, is a PlayStation 5 display. Engineers will take it and look at it for ease of manufacturability and see if we can cut costs out for our customer. So here's one sanitizer. A lot of music going on. More videos of how this is made and painted. So check us out, and
LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook.
otherwise we'll say goodbye. Okay, good luck to everybody.